My name is Stephanie Weisberg, and I am the curator at the Pulitzer Arts Foundation. The title of the exhibition is Assembly Required. Members of the public are invited to build, shape, and use these artworks, and the idea is to bring people into collaboration with each other and into an active participation role with the art itself. Each of the 9 artists in the exhibition issued this invitation out of a shared belief that collaboration, dialogue, and participation are tools for transforming society. And each of the works in the exhibition come from a different social or political context, but each of them are responding to a specific context that may be repressive in some way, and the artists are using this invitation for the public to participate and for people to collaborate with each other as a means of resisting modes of oppression. These artworks are also very open-ended, and members of the public oftentimes relate that they bring the circumstances of the current moment to these works as they're experiencing them. Development for this exhibition began in 2019, and at the time, we were thinking about questions that artists ask in relationship to social and political turmoil. We were also thinking about ways that the museum could act as a space for hope and optimism in face of some of these political tensions that we were experiencing and continue to experience today. I think the exhibition has actually become more profound because many of these artists ask questions about the ways in which people are connected and can engage with each other in physical space. And given that we have all been isolated from each other for the past several years because of the global pandemic, it feels like a very profound moment now to be coming together and asking questions about what does it mean to gather together, what does it mean to work together, and what can we realize by being in the same space and working with each other that we can't in isolation.